Say the end.
Look, he just stops and starts smiling now.
What? Have I got to put what back?
Have you got to put that?
I've got to put all the stuff back, haven't
He's
I?
got to put some belts back.
I have got far too many belts. I stole that one too, and then I got fat in the last film, and I had to wear another one just to make me look thin again.
Could you put all of the things where they want?
Yes. I promise, I solemnly swear to do good from now on. I will be good boy from now on.
With the pain of hammer.
I will do my tax returns,
Are you,
and
what are you called? What's your wing?
I'm Captain Jack Sparrow.
What's your wing?
Jack.
Are you people?
Yes, I am a person.
And he doesn't say please.
You're Thor, aren't you?
You don't say please.
I do. Please, thank you very much. Please, 1,000 times.
Let's get some serious abuse.
What is my dad?
He's, I don't know. He's over there, look. By the sandwich
He's
stand.
asking for some sugar and saying
He
please.
obviously trusts us a lot.
Not smart move. Not a smart move.
Who's telling you truth?
And you wonder why I wanted to castrate myself.
Are you a pirate?
I'm not.
Who is a pirate?
He's a pirate. I'm a pirate. He's a pirate. He's a Roman. And he's a Viking. And there is another Viking lady. She's gone.
Are you
I do have two pirates, yeah. Why? Is that okay? Is that good, yeah?
This is the father of the Thor. He's in charge of the inspector down here. Inspector Thor. He was making sure we say please and thank you, and that we eat our dinner and we do our tax returns.
And say
Say hello.
please and thank you.
Hello.
Hello. He's great. I like him.
He suddenly goes really normal and then he goes into, I'm going to sort you out.
And when you finish your dinner, this killer's going to get you guys.
All right. Okay. What, him?
Yeah.
Collins, that man there is going to get us apparently.
Check out the Ben Canoe.
He's going to duff us up. He's a robot Viking. Look at that. He's an android from outer space.
Are you going to eat all of your dinner?
Yeah, there you go. All right. All right. In the cake hole. I haven't had my vegetables.
Not eating.
He's not finished his well. Carrots.